Assalamu alaikum, grade 3 students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, now this is time to study mathematics. Okay, now open your countdown, book 3. Hold your pencils, open page number 12. Write on date, day and classwork on the top. Today I will tell you about 4-digit numbers and their place value. We have learned the place value of 3-digit numbers in the previous class. The place value of a 3-digit number is ones, tens and hundreds. The first 3-digit number is this. In a place value chart we write like this: 3-digit numbers. 3 hundreds, 4 tens and 6 zeros. A 4-digit number has thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. As you can see, they have made a table for us to learn easily. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. We say that 1,507 tens and 8 ones. Okay. 5-digit numbers and their place value. A 5-digit number has 10 thousands, thousands, 100 tens and ones. The first 5-digit number 10,000 can be written in a place value chart is like this: 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Now we can say it like that: 2 10,000, 9,000, 3 hundreds, 4 tens and 5 ones. Okay, there is a practice sheet on page number 13. Write down date and classwork on the top. Look at the following 4-digit numbers. One of the digit has been circled. Write its place value and draw beads on the abacus to show the value. The first is done for you. Okay, now I will help you to complete the next of the parts. The first is 4,601 tens, 100,000. The 6th digit is a ring digit. The place value of 6 in the abacus is on 100. We have made 6 beads. Now the next part. The ring digit is 9. Ones, tens, 100,000. It means in the 1000th row, in the 1000th line, we have to draw 9 beads. Part C. The ring digit is 2. Ones, tens. So what you have to do is you have to make 2 beads on the 10th line. The ring digit is 9, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. It means ring digit is on 100. So I have made 9 beads on the 100 abacus. Now write the value of a circle digit. The first is done for you. The first ring digit on the first number is 9 and its place value is 9 tens or 90. The next B is 4. 4 ones or 4. 100 or 100. 3,000 or 3,000. 6 10,000 or like this. 6,000 or this. 800 or like this. 4 10,000 or 40,000. We have to write in both in number names and in numbers. Okay students, now there is a challenge. The smallest 2-digit number is 10. The 3-digit number is 100. 4-digit number is 1000. The greatest 2-digit number is 99. 3-digit is 999. And 4-digit will be 9,999. Okay students, now come to page number 14. Writing 4 and 5-digit numbers in expanded form. In maths, expanding means writing out a number showing all the parts that make it up. It is especially used for big numbers. Look, the expanded form of this is 4,250 and 2. Okay. Now, page number 14, there is a practice sheet. What you have to do is, you have to practice it on this page. Complete it on this page. The first is done for you. The first value is 6,839. So we can write it like this. The next is 2,500, 002. Okay. Next, 3,490 plus ones, 8,076. 5,170 plus 5. Now the bigger value, it's 5-digit value. 34,904. 30,000, 4,900, 00 plus 4. Complete the whole column and whole table on the book. It's very easy and very simple. Okay, students, do practice it by yourself. Okay. Now, page number 15. Look at these expanded forms. Then write the numbers. Now, the previous practice was we have to write an expanded form. Now we have to write it in short form. 7,310 plus 6. It means 7,316. 8,000. There is no value on 100. Tens on 70 and ones have 2. 8,072. 3,600 and no hundreds and 3. 3,603. 4,980. Now we can write it like this. 4,980. Complete the rest of the table, rest of the parts by yourself. Okay, students, they are very simple and very easy. You have to take your rough register with yourself. So you can do it first on that and then on this book. Predecessor and successor. As you know that predecessor and successor, before and after. Predecessor means before value and successor means the next value. And there is one more between. Before 5,648. What is the value? What is the previous value? It must be 5,647. That's why it's 48. The next is 6,999. What is the value next to it? It will be 7,000. Okay, now we have to tell the numbers between them. 8,320 dash 8,322. The between value is 8,321. Okay. Now the next, the column A. What is the previous value? Tell me. It's 75. It means the previous number will be 74. 3,274. It is 42. The next value will be 43. 8,643. 9,658, 9,658, 9,659, 9,660. Okay, students, complete it on the book. It is very easy and very simple. You can take help of your mother or brother or sister. Okay. Now there are some more practice sheets on page number 16 and 17. They are very easy and very simple. Okay. Complete it by yourself. Okay, students. Take care of yourself. Keep remember me in prayers. Allah Hafiz.